and nature taking over and reclaiming everything what's on the land. I'll go over here a little way, but it's so hard to get across here, guys. I'll show you a little bit some of this. If you're liking the video, covered in nettle rash, thorns in my legs and all sorts. Sorry about that, kids outside the yard. Right. More old cars. Cars buried under here, bits and pieces of cars. Another old car under there. Lots of bits in there. Another car in the background. Another truck of some sort. There's all sorts of cars.